Hi, welcome back, my dear students. Hope you all are safe. In our previous class, we discussed about spherical mirrors, concave and convex mirrors. Do you remember that? The mirror, those having its reflecting surface inwards are concave mirrors, and the mirror having its reflecting surface outwards are convex mirrors. Inwards means concave and outward means convex. There is an experiment to do with concave mirror in your textbook. Hold a concave mirror in front of a distant object and direct the reflected light towards a wall or a wide screen. Move the mirror forward or backward till the image becomes clear. A clear, small and inverted image of the object is formed. Concave mirrors are used in cars' headlight because this helps the driver to see things up to a considerable distance in the darkness and can avoid accidents. Convex mirrors are used in street lights. It is used in street lights because it would diverge the light rays and hence spread the light so that visibility increases. Based on the nature of the image formed, we can classify it into two, the real image and the virtual image. Real image is the image that can be caught on a screen, and about the virtual image, the image that cannot be caught on a screen is called virtual image. Next is multiple reflection. Multiple reflection means it is the reflection of light in several times between reflecting surfaces. Here is a video for you shows how to make kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is an optical instrument with two or more reflecting surfaces tilted to each other in an angle so that one or more objects on one end of the mirror are seen as a regular symmetrical pattern who viewed from the other end due to repeated reflection. To make kaleidoscope, take two rectangular mirrors of the same size, one cardboard sheet of the same size as the mirrors, one sellotape, plastic paper, small piece of bangles and colored papers and glue. First, you want to join the mirrors and the cardboard box together to form a long triangular tube with the silver sides of the mirrors facing in. Cut a piece of plastic paper to fit over one end of the triangular tube and tape it in place. Then put the colored pieces of bangles and colored papers in the tube. Then hold the tube upright so that the pieces rest on the plastic paper. Look into the tube and see the pattern formed. When viewed inside the kaleidoscope, we can see a large number of images of the object that we have placed inside it. The reason for the large number of image formation is multiple reflection. Multiple reflection occurs when plane mirrors are kept at suitable angles. Next is periscope. Periscope is an optical instrument for viewing objects that are above the level of direct sight or in an otherwise obstructed field of vision. Here is a video of making periscope with cardboard. Here is a picture showing a person looking through a periscope. Light rays from the tree in front of the instrument fall on the mirror 1. These light rays after reflection fall on the mirror 2. The light rays again undergo reflection. The reflected rays from mirror 2 reach the eyes and we are able to see the tree. Periscope can be used to view things which do not fall in our horizontal visual level. So students, let's summarize today's section. Today we discussed about the image formation using concave mirror and about the optical instruments kaleidoscope and periscope.